Today we're going to talk about how lonely it is to be an entrepreneur. You go to an office, you work for someone else, you see people every single day, you build relationships, then you go start your own business, and you're by yourself. You're like, where is everybody? Where are the people I need to talk to? Who's gonna help me get past this hurdle? Who's gonna help me get to that next step? And that is one of the hardest things I've found of being an entrepreneur. So that's why it's so important for you to keep people in your circle, right? You need to build your circle of like-minded individuals. You know, the hard truth is a lot of the people that you hang around with, even people you consider close friends, may not be around as you go and start your own business because you just have different things that you're doing. You guys grow apart. They're fine going in at 9 o'clock and leaving at 5 from their job. They go home at 5 o'clock and don't think about it till they go back on Monday. Now for you, you may go in at 6 o'clock and not be done till 10 o'clock at night. And those are the people that are saying, let's go out, let's drink, let's have a good time. And you're like, I can't, I have to grow this business. So you need to have some positive energy around you. That is so important as an entrepreneur. So I really suggest you join meetups in your local area. That is really important to do because most of the time meetups are free. If you're in the SoCal area, once COVID and stuff opens everything back up, we're starting my meetups again. So go to meetup.com, check out SoCal Real Estate Wholesalers. I think we have like 1,000 people in there. So look at this, just a meetup that I threw out there, there's 1,000 people in there. 1,000 people that want to be around like-minded individuals. So don't reach out to me and say, you can't find anyone that's like-minded. I would call bullshit on that. There's always somebody that wants to grow your business, right? They want to help you get to that next level and you want to help them get to that next level. You guys just need to have conversations and getting in front of people and building these relationships. When I first started in this business, I went to a few events, then I joined a mastermind. Some of these people I met in these masterminds are my best friends today. So if we look at this and say, some of these guys out there like Jalen White, good dude, Joseph Taylor, some of these people that do huge business, they're people that I call when I'm stuck. They call me when they're stuck. It's always great to have those people, but you have to go out there and not be afraid of change. If you try to hold on to your friend group that is not pushing you to that next level and not cheering you on, if you hold on to the haters, the people that are saying this will never work, you're gonna go bankrupt, don't take that chance, get a secure job. If you do that and you listen to those people, you're gonna fail. I mean, that's really how it works. You need to be around people that want to help you get to that next level. And the hardest part is, even some of these haters end up being family too. I mean, they're people that were so used to working 9 to 5. Maybe they worked 9 to 5 for 30 years. They were so used to it. And that's their way of life. That's how they do things.
I don't want your life.
So for you to go out on your own and actually try to build something that you can have passive income down the road on, something you can pass down to kids in the future, try to build yourself a future. Maybe your goal is to retire at 40 and these other people worked till they were 70. There's so many things you can do to get to that next level, but you will not be able to do that if you're around these haters all the time.
Hey, I'm sorry I didn't see you there. I was too busy blocking out the haters.
It's time for you to step out of your comfort zone, go to these meetups, introduce yourself, bring some business cards with you. They don't have to be fancy business cards. Do not sit for 3 to 4 hours designing the coolest business card. It doesn't matter.
Look at that subtle off-white coloring. The tasteful thickness of it. Oh my God. It even has a watermark.
I'll make you a deal. If designing a business card is the most important thing to you, if you need something that makes you feel better because you've got this cool looking business card, check below in the description and there's going to be a link to Cody there. Cody is my content creator. He is the one behind the camera right now and he can help design a badass business card for you. Get used to talking to these people, get phone numbers, get names, grab lunch with these people, grab coffee with these people. Because those people are the ones that are gonna motivate you to move forward. Don't be driven by shiny objects. You see someone driving a fancy car, don't go hang out with that person because you like their car.
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Maybe it's not even their car, maybe they rented it, you never know. So you never know what's behind the scenes. Get out there, build relationships with people, join masterminds once you're ready. Events are perfect. You know, when you go to these events, people look at it and say, oh my God, it's $500 to attend this event. Oh my God, what am I gonna get out of it? Get in that room, listen, if you take 2 to 3 golden nuggets out of that event, you won. But that event ends at 5 o'clock, do not go up to your hotel room and go to bed. Do not head home. Most of the people from that event congregate out in the hallways for a while. I have learned more in the time after events just talking to people than I have within events.
So you need to make yourself that person. You got to be that person that they want to do business with.
Right.
And that's what it comes down to.
Right.
Rapport is 100% it. Everything else does not fucking matter. You can figure it out as you go.
I've even seen people, now don't get any ideas, but I've even seen people that have gone to events, didn't even buy a ticket, and just stand in the hallway. They wait for the breaks. They wait for after the event to talk to people. And they've built great relationships. A couple of them I'm still friends with today. Do whatever it is you can do to put yourself in these situations of like-minded individuals. It will help your business get to that next level, and it will help you overcome more obstacles than you ever thought you could. Fuck the haters. Be around people that are actually gonna help you get there. Even if you do something as small as joining a Facebook group, that's still taking the next step. All right, as I was thinking about this video, I want to challenge you to do something. I want you to grab a piece of paper, pen, pencil, whatever the hell you want to write with, and I want you to write down 5 names. Now, these names are going to be people that you respect, that you want to follow, that you want to be more like, right? People that would potentially make you a better person in business and personally. We talk about the haters. I want you to get those haters out of your life, and I want you to write down people that you actually want to spend time with. Now, you may never spend time with some of these people. Maybe you go to a meetup or you go to something like that and you go try to be around those type of people. That's what you need to be doing to become a better entrepreneur, to become better yourself. You need to be around people that you respect their way of doing things. So write those names down, push to spend time with those people, and try to make yourself better. All right, back to the video. You need to do something. It doesn't matter how small it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I sincerely hope this helped you guys out. I know this advice was given to me years ago, and this helped me out so much. So get out there, stop wasting time, get off your ass and do it.